Hi, welcome back to my system administration tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to start a VM and how to stop a VM. Also, I'll show you how to do a remote login. And to start with, first let me see any virtual machine is running by typing the command wish list. No virtual machine is running. So how to start a virtual machine using the command line? Wish start and followed by the name of your VM. In the previous video I have showed you how to create a VM, and if you remember, the name of the VM which we have created is system admin. I just say system admin, then the domain has started or the VM has started. Now if you type wish list, you can see the virtual machine is running. The state of the virtual machine is running. Fine. Now, so this is getting booted in the background. Now I just need to get the IP assigned to this particular VM. Now there are two ways to see that. One is just you type wet manager command again. This will open the virtual machine manager. Double click your VM. Just log in and type the password and type the command IPA. Now you see that it has taken some IP from the NAT interface, from the NAT network, 192.168.100.140. That is IP assigned to my virtual machine. Okay, this is one of the easiest way to get the IP of your machine. I just close the VM, close the virtual machine manager. If there is any other way to see this, yes, I just type the command sudo arp-en. Remember, this command works very fine if you are not connected to a bigger network. Sometimes it would list out all the IPs of your local network. So my machine is not present, not connected to the network. It would show you only the interfaces which are connected to my machine and the VM. Okay, so now you can see here 140 is the IP assigned to my VM. Okay, but this is not the exact way to find it, but still you can find it. If you have only one virtual machine running, you can find the IP address in this way. Okay, fine. There are other commands as well available to see the IP address, but anyway, I'll just show you first of all how to log in. So how to log in the system remotely? Okay, fine. First what you have to do is you just need to use the command SSH, use the password, add, followed by the IP 192.168.100.140. Now for the first time it would ask, okay, just to copy this fingerprint, you just need to say that yes. Type the password of your machine. Now you are into your VM, that is BLRK at system 1. If you remember exactly the previous video, so the name of the system which I have given was system 1. Okay, the same system 1 is displayed here. Now I just do the exits. Once again I do the login by running the previous command. This time you see you do not ask any yes or no. This time no key has to be added because already the key was added to the machine. Okay, fine. Type the password Linux. It's logging in. Okay, fine. If there is any other way to log in, yes. There is a other option which is more secure as well. We can log in into the VM by using SSH without giving any password. That is passwordless login. How to do that? First you just need to create a key for this, public and private key. So for that there is a command SSH SSH keygen, that's a command to generate a key. -T is the option. Type the option DSA. T means what's the type of algorithm you are using. I'm just saying DSA. That's my algorithm. SSH region-t DSA. Enter. So generating the public and private key pair, and that would be stored under the location, home, the username, then followed by .ssh. So inside that it would create. Now if you want to change the location, you can change the location. I do not want to change it. Now passphrase, I just leave it empty. Once again leave it empty. Now if you go inside .ssh and list it, you can see that your ID DSA.pub already created, and ID DSA private key. This is your public key and this is your private key. Fine. Now, how do I copy this? Now to the virtual machine, my identity need to be established in the virtual machine. To do that, there's a command called ssh copy ID -I to say which file you are copying. So I'm copying .ssh ID underscore DSA.pub, my public key, right? This my public key I'm just going to copy to the username at 192. You remember the IP is 192.168.100.140. So that IP I'm just going to copy. Enter. Now this would ask the password. Yes, key is added. Now you can do one thing, that is try to log in. PLOK at 192.168.100.140. Wonderful. You have logged into the machine without giving any password. This is excellent and easy way. Now how to shut down, that is the last part of this video. How you can shut down this machine. There are two ways to do this. One of the easiest ways, you just need to type the init 0 command. By default it would not allow you because the normal user doesn't have the privilege, so that it would ask the authentication password. You just need to give the password so that it automatically shut down. The password which I gave it was the root password. Okay, then only it is possible to shut down the machine. Now come and type this lists. The VM is not running. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.